Alright everyone, this is the filler number 4, second to last one till we fill the main. We're looking for top spot, advance to the main. We're live. 459. Come on. Slow today for some reason. 459, 459. We got the list here. 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. 2 dice. 9 times. 5 o'clock. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 times, we got Bruno on the top. We must go 9. Good luck at 5. Well, supposed to be good luck. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Last and final roll. Top spot advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 7, Sheldon. Congratulations, Sheldon. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 5 o'clock. What is going on with this thing? 5 o'clock. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.